Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had clients who forget to pay invoices on time, you know how awkward and time-consuming it can be to send those follow-up emails. The good news? QuickBooks Online makes it super easy to automate this process with payment reminders. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up automated payment reminders in QuickBooks Online so you can save time, stay organized, and get paid faster. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online and head to the Settings menu. You can find it by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Account and Settings. Next, click on the Sales tab. This is where all your sales-related preferences live. Scroll down until you see the section called Reminders. On the right side of that section, click the little pencil icon to edit. Now, this is where the magic happens. Toggle on automatic invoice reminders. Once that's on, you'll be able to set up to 3 different reminders for each invoice. Here's how it works. For reminder 1, simply switch it on and choose the number of days you'd like it to go out. You can decide if it should be sent before the due date or after the due date. Then repeat the same process for reminder 2 and reminder 3, depending on how many follow-ups you want to schedule. The best part is you can customize the reminder emails so they sound exactly how you want. For example, click on the subject line field to change the wording. You can also check the option to use an email greeting, which personalizes the message with your customer's name. And in the body of the email, you can either type your own message or stick with the default QuickBooks text. Once you've set everything up, just click Save, then Done. That's it. From now on, QuickBooks will automatically send out your reminders, and you won't have to manually chase clients for payments anymore. And here's a quick tip. Try setting one reminder a few days before the due date as a friendly nudge, then another on the due date itself, and maybe one more a few days after. That way, you cover all bases without being too pushy. So, there you have it. A simple, stress-free way to make sure your invoices get the attention they deserve. No more awkward follow-ups, and more consistent cash flow for your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.